we finished with our tiers. Now we're going to take this beautiful red peony and we're going to paint it. So I want to make sure that the stamens stay their nice color. So I'm going to go ahead and take saran wrap and wrap these up because I don't want the airbrush color that I'm going to be using to get on these. So I'm just going to take this and wrap it around so they're nice and covered. And then I'm going to cut off the extra. All right, I've got some scissors. Now I'm going to cut that off so it's out of the way. I missed one little stamen, so instead of trying to unwrap it, I'm just going to cut that one off. All right, so we've got those all protected. Now I'm going to kind of separate these out a little bit so that I can paint each one individually. So I'm going to start with these back ones. Let me get my airbrush. I'm using the same sheen, silver pearl sheen and black that I've been using all along. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to do light airbrushing on them. I want to keep some of the red showing through, but I definitely want them to be dark. So I'm just going around and separating them out and airbrushing them, giving them a light coating. All right, now the center ones. All right, now I'm going to do the backs. And get inside and make sure I get all of the back ones of them. All right, there we've got some nice color on those. All right, now I want to just kind of make sure that as I open it up, I like how it looks. I'm going to hit the edges just a little bit. There we go. All right, now I'm going to let this dry and then we're going to put it on our cake. So here we've stacked our cake. We've got our beautiful bottom tier, our middle tier, and our top tier. Now we're going to add our flower. I still haven't unwrapped this. I'm going to do this last. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a skewer and I'm going to decide where I want the flower. I think I want it right here. I'm going to poke the skewer in there so I have a place for the flower to go. Okay. And then these are dummy cakes made of styrofoam, so I can just put this right in. If this were a real cake and you were serving it to people, I would put a drinking straw over this piece of the flower and put the drinking straw in the cake so that this part of the flower never actually touched the cake. But like I said, we're working with styrofoam here, so I can just go ahead and push that in onto the cake. Now I can take this off very gently and I can adjust my flower, open the stamens up, and there you have it. A beautiful black cake. And again, we've used texture and sheen versus matte to get differentiation on the cake. So it gives it depth and it gives it texture. And you could use this for a birthday or it could be an avant-garde wedding cake. I'm Monika Stout with YummyArts.